Let me show you how to complete your KYC on GXT Exchange. Of course, as you already know, exchanges, centralized exchanges, mandates that you must pass your know your customer verification exercise before you can actually have access to the most of the features, right? So we're here, and I have already made a tutorial showing how to sign up, and this one here is how to do your KYC. So first off, from the home page, you click on the profile symbol at the top left, and when it opens, you can see your UID and whatever name you saved. So you click on verify KYC here. So on this next page, you have to provide your full name, your date of birth, select your country, select document type, which is between passport, national ID, and driver's license. If it's passport that you select, you provide your document number, you enter your document expiry date, then you enter your residential address, and you click on continue. So on the next page, you have to upload your passport. These are the formats: JPG, PNG, WebP, file size 20 KB to 8 MB, minimum resolution 300 by 300 pixels. Face on your ID must be clearly visible. And you click on continue. You have to upload a selfie, a clear photo of your face in good lighting. After providing all of the information is the last step. You click on submit for verification. Really? And I'm seeing two submission rejected by server. Too many attempts. Please wait a moment. You submitted too quickly after a previous attempt. Wait a few minutes before trying again. Too many KYC submissions from your network. If you share this connection with many classmates, please contact support to verify manually. Are you guys kidding me? Because none of this applies. None of this applies. If you guys cannot handle something as simple as KYC verification, then there is a problem. That's a red flag right there. Right, so I retried after some minutes, and here it is. Verification has been submitted and pending review, usually within 24 to 48 hours, right? And in just about 10 minutes or thereabout, my identity has been verified. It's that simple. My KYC status is now verified.